Hey there, I'm Andrew. I'm playing the role of Professor again.
Hi, I'm Komal. I'm playing the role of student again.
All right, so let's continue with our lecture. I'm going to be going back on the Magic Leap, and I'm going to be writing on my board right here a little bit of the what we were doing in vectors in space with the dot product, and also with finding the angle between two vectors. So give me a moment. I'm going to put on the headset, and I'm going to be screen sharing. Oh, and in the meantime, you can pull up the some of the notes as well. So you could have that to complement what I'm talking about. So I'm going to boot this up. You should be able to see it soon. All right, do you see it, the screen? Is it good?
Yes.
All right, wonderful. So tell me if you cannot see what I'm doing at any moment. So let's move over here. So I wrote down a few things ahead of the lecture. We have two vectors, A and B. They each have an X, Y, and Z component, so three-dimensional. So what we're going to be doing here is finding the dot product. So to find the dot product between two vectors, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both of the pairs of components here. So for, the AX times BX. So AX and BX, and then you have the I hat and I hat times I hat, which actually turns out to be 1, so we get rid of them. So we add the Y components together.
Professor,
We
can you
add the
move a little bit on the right? Yes.
oh, for
It's
sure.
more visible
It's
now.
like wonderful. So thank you. So here we have the dot product, one way of representing it. Another way of representing it is as the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B times the cosine of the angle between them. So if you have these two vectors, A and B, then the angle between them would be here. And the cosine of that angle is what you're going to multiply times that magnitude of A and B to find that dot product. So now this gets us to finding out what the angle between two vectors is. And it's quite simple now that we have this here. That's all we need. So we have this scalar, which is the dot product, and we can move out everything we don't need to find out theta. So let's rewrite this equation where we have the dot product at the top, and then we have the magnitude of the A vector times the magnitude of the B vector on the denominator. Set that equal to the cosine of the angle. Now, all we have to do is find the anti-cosine here and multiply it on both sides. So cosine of -1, and then cosine of -1 here, they cancel out. So you're left with theta on one side. And then we have the anti-cosine of the dot product divided by the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B. All right, so that's how you find the angle between two vectors, as shown here. And you could do this for any two vectors. Any questions?
No, Professor. It looks good.
All right, wonderful. So we're going to keep going on the computer, and we'll go through the homework and other assignments. So thank you.
Thank you.